In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an ElevenLabs subscription in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step so you can easily navigate your way to securing your subscription with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This might be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer to use. It's important to ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version because this can help prevent any compatibility issues as you go through the subscription process. Once your browser is open, head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in to proceed. Locate the Login section, typically at the top right corner, and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, most websites, including this one, have a Forgot Password option that you can use to reset your password via email. After successfully logging in, keep an eye out for the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll see an option that says Upgrade. Click on it to begin the process of changing your subscription status from a free user to a paid subscriber. This is a crucial step because without upgrading, you won't have access to the full range of features and benefits that come with a premium account. Now comes the step where you choose your subscription plan. ElevenLabs typically offers a variety of plans tailored to different user needs. Carefully review the options available and pick the one that best suits your requirements. You'll likely see choices between different tiers, each with varying levels of access and features. Alongside selecting the plan type, you will also need to decide on your payment term. Subscription plans can usually be billed either annually or monthly. Choosing an annual plan might save you a bit of money in the long run, but a monthly plan gives you more flexibility. Once you've settled on the plan specifics, you'll be redirected to a new page designed to finalize your payment details. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. This might include your credit or debit card details, or sometimes other payment methods like PayPal or similar services are offered. Double-check all your information to ensure everything is correct, as errors here can delay the activation of your subscription. With payment details successfully entered and processed, you should receive a confirmation from ElevenLabs, usually via email, confirming that your new subscription is active. Congratulations! You've now subscribed to ElevenLabs and can start exploring all the fantastic features available in your new plan. If you encounter any issues at any point, check their help center or contact customer support for further assistance. And that's it. You've now completed the subscription process for ElevenLabs. Happy exploring and enjoy the enhanced capabilities your new subscription brings to the table.